This works. Okay, good. This works. Hello. Yes, let's be productive. This is how it should be, right? I think so. Right. Yeah. I feel I've slacked off like way too much today, but yes. So yeah, I mean, I ate, and then I always take a longer lunch break than I should, and then I finish building the house in World of Warcraft. But anyways, let's actually be productive now. Yeah. So where are we? Yeah. Oh, the other thing is that I mean, we are going to do some programming, and then we are going to and then we are going to practice piano because that is what we do. Probably, I'm not sure if I'm going to. I mean, one way or the other, one of these days I'll probably just do a World of Warcraft thing as well, just to show off my in-game house since I've finished building it. But that can wait. Let's actually be productive right now because otherwise we're never actually going to be productive. Yes, so what are we doing today? I don't know. Yeah, we are going to look up how does this very funny thing works, right? And then we are going to do some funny things. Theory of linear arithmetic. Huh? Um. Oh. That is. I did not think this exists. But the fact that this exists. Let me think if it means anything good or bad. Because I definitely did not expect this, yeah. Yes, anyways, where are we? Right, I guess the other question is like, how does the translation work, right? Sorry, yeah, this is like complete out of nowhere. I know. And I did not I did not start monitoring the chat on my phone. I should. Let me just pull up the stream on my phone. Give me just 1 minute. Yeah, I mean, sorry, everything was just like super disorganized because I was just not being productive at all. Let me just pull up the stream here on the thing. So yeah, you're not streaming. I'll probably just watch later. So let me see. So I do this, and then okay, no comment. That is excellent. Just in case I get non-zero, I should always monitor, but I will probably get zero. Excellent. Right. Yeah. So, what are we doing today? We are doing programming. We're also trying to find something fun to chat about. I feel like everything fun I can think of right now is just World of Warcraft stuff, which is probably not the ideal thing to be happening right now. But it is what it is, right? Where's this push and pop thing? Oh, right. Okay, I kind of see. Okay, I thought I was going to be doing a certain experiment, but now the more I'm looking at this, the how should I say it? The more different the experiment was looking. And that is, I'm not sure how worried should I be. Well, first of all, does this give me any yeah, anyway, so are we doing? I guess I also don't know like how much should I try to explain what I'm doing, because I feel like a lot of this is a you know, how should I say it? Yeah, like I feel like a lot of this is basically like there's kind of no end to it if I try to explain everything, because a lot of this is like actual tricky stuff. But yeah, let's see. So you can do a can I? But okay, yeah. Let's see what happens here, right? Um. Okay, there's no timeout, of course, and then one thing to that's the one thing to know. One good thing to know, I should say. Let me see. So what is going on here? But yeah, I guess the other question is like, what do I chat about, right? Because I feel like a lot of, like I was saying, like I feel like basically everything on the top of my head right now is just World of Warcraft in-game house building, and that is probably not the most exciting topic here. I guess it's between that and piano thing, but I can always, save a piano thing for like the thing I'm doing in like what 2 or 3 hours. Yeah, I guess that is the other thing, right? I was really hoping this so I scheduled this at 8:30 because I think, or I was hoping that I will be done with. I was hoping this would be a short thing to program. I will just quickly program it and I'll be done. I mean, I haven't given up yet on this being fast. So yeah. SMT translate. Let me see. Yeah, so I guess maybe. Yeah, so what else can I talk about besides gaming and piano? I feel like that is the other VTuber things, I guess. Yeah, or just like, yeah, this is hard, right? Because basically we just consume other people's content, and then it is good, but then it doesn't mean I know how to does not mean I know how to produce it. Uh, in fact, I don't know how to produce content. At least, okay, sorry, I just was checking if the microphone was working, and I probably should have closed a bunch of things. So let me do that. Okay, close this, close that, and close. Let me see, close this as well, and close this. Yeah. Okay, now back to screen sharing. Yeah, or I don't know. Like, I guess the other question is like if the how should I say it? Like if programming itself is interesting, which I really don't think it is. Yeah. Yeah, I feel I kind of just schedule this without thinking, and I even did I label this as programming or programming and chatting? I just label as programming. I did not do programming slash chatting because I knew that this is going to be not so exciting. Yes. But anyways, yeah. Or I guess I can always do the funny thing, right? Where I literally actually start talking about what is this about what I'm doing right now, and throw a bunch of jargons that nobody understand, and then this would be incredibly boring. So there's that. Or what else was I feel like I had something in mind that I wanted to talk about just now, and then it disappeared. Oh right, the weather. -6 degrees Celsius. This is very nice. Yeah. So in fact, like the campus was closed for the entire week, and now I'm really afraid of being out there because the thing is that if a campus is closed, then what else is closed, right? Besides the fact that it's just super super cold, I don't know if any restaurants and stuff are open. So I've been just eating at home a lot more. Which is I guess good because the side effect is that it saves money and it's slightly healthier. Yeah, I've heard that this is actually a pretty big storm, and it is happening in basically a lot of places, like a lot of cities in the east side, on the east coast of US. Yeah, but I guess the other funny thing that I've heard, well, I'm not sure if it's funny, but the other thing that I've heard is that the dining hall at my school is actually open. So maybe I should tag that as a what is it called? As a I don't know the word, but I guess the point is that if dining hall is open, maybe something else is open, and maybe I can still be out there and I can still eat. Yeah, I don't know. But anyways, yeah. So I guess I really don't understand like what I'm doing right now anymore. So I guess that's a funny thing. Like, oh right. So programming wise, so that's a funny thing, right? So yesterday I basically when I was here, I took two different debuffs. One is the streamer brain thing, and the other thing is the vibe coding thing. So then the thing just did not work at all, right? And then I just quit at the end. Well, it turns out I thought a bit about it actually, and I tried it again this morning. And it seemed to work a bit better. So it turns out that you just have to not take both debuffs at the same time. Yeah, or I don't know, maybe it's just something that you will always get wrong on the first try, but then you just have to try a couple of times and then eventually the thing works. Yeah. But anyways, for this, I really don't know if I don't really don't know which one of this should I be using. Because I did not even think this exists, but now knowing that this exists, should this just be the thing to use? Because then I'm just building this in a complete different way from what I originally expected, right? Because originally I wanted to what is it called? Originally I wanted to go through this translation, but then if it, you cannot. Right. Okay, I see. You cannot do this anyways. So I think this is out, right? Because this is, yeah, you cannot check subspaces, right? Or can you? I mean, this is just examples. Maybe it is going to give me something that is a, I guess the other question is how much do I care, right? Wait, how do you, yeah, how do you, the thing is that right now I'm just trying to write a programming language that I don't understand. Or even worse than that, I'm trying to write something that's kind of like a compiler and I'm targeting this language that I don't understand. But I guess that is not too strange either, right? Because that is what the undergrads always do in the first compilers class they are taking. Except I don't want to learn, like, this is probably like the worst way to learn the language because it's like 85 pages. And it's like, how do I even... This is a very nice song though. Sorry, anyways, this is just me being distracted and yeah. Yeah, I feel like... I also just... I guess the other thing is that I really don't know if I should care about like numbers of like views and likes and stuff like that or not. But yeah, I guess it just no. I mean, I'm bringing this up just because it just came to mind that I got over 100 on a what is it called? I got over 100 views on this because I actually tried to advertise it, but the next one I probably won't actually advertise it. So I mean, advertise it and I just post on Reddit. I didn't actually spend money or anything like that. I basically just posted on Reddit saying that okay, I did this for this. I've covered this song. But yeah, for next one I probably will not try to post it on anywhere other than just what I already normally do, which means next one I'm actually going to get way less than 100. But that is how it is, right? Yeah. So I guess the point is just that none of this thing is like a linear growth, and maybe I don't care. I just do what makes me happy, right? So yeah. Anyways, let's actually decide what we are programming because I feel like we can. I guess that is a really how should I say it So here's I guess my original plan or hope or whatever. Is that I would just finish all the planning before I got here, and then you know when I'm here I can just at least be programming and not like thinking. Because it's harder to think than to just write down code. And it seems like right now I'm still thinking because I've slacked off enough today that I'm not done with thinking yet. But we're close though, so I guess let's do slightly more vibe coding and then we'll be good. I mean, it's not actually vibe coding, it's just asking ChatGPT what to do. Okay, so let's say I'm trying to write some to file, and then let's say conceptually I've got some intermediate results. So maybe something like I don't know x1 is Boolean x2 is boolean, x20 is boolean, and then I have a y1 is expression of, and then how do I set up this yi's? Do I literally just set them as a normal variables with an extra constraint that they must have exactly the right value, which is my right hand side? Or do I have to inline them by hand while generating / creating inline my expressions? Let me see. Wouldn't I take a performance penalty that way, or do I have to inline my expression by hand while generating and creating this SMT to by having more variables and constraints? Or can I this file, or is there some clever is there some feature of SMT2 that I'm missing because I don't know how to write this programming language? Okay, yeah. Oh, define function. Okay. This is, oh, these are macros, okay. Let me see. Define, oh, so instead of declare, just define, okay. Yeah. Let me see. Declare fun, and then I don't want it. Yeah. So what is this? Okay, yeah. Okay, perfect. So let's say let me see. Follow up stupid syntax question then. For what? For values, we can either declare value or declare constant, right? Can I similarly declare, or I don't know, define, wait. Oh, never mind. I see what I was about to ask doesn't even make sense. Because it's literally just this, right? Because I just declare, wait. Yeah, maybe I have more conceptually misunderstandings. Why define fun? Is there so my variables are created using a declare const, right? So I don't know, one would maybe expect a define const here, no? Yeah, names look very strange. Okay, this is really funny. Wait, so you can do declare constant, declare fun, but you cannot do what? Huh. Are you sure you don't have that? Let me Google it just be sure because I feel like it is. I mean, what do I know, right? So what is it? Declare, define. I feel I'm losing my mind right here. So it says this thing doesn't exist. So let me Google it. Declare const is not. This is probably also you know what? Yeah, whatever. Okay. Okay, fine. I will believe it for now. So you have this, and then a Okay, so let me see. How do you? Let me see. Okay, so how do you use this? Do you use this in any Oh, so this you just use it like this. So just treat this as a variable from there, because this thing is like some Lisp funny things that I maybe don't care. Okay, good. So what do I do here? Um, do I want to work this out on a piece of paper, or can I literally just go at it? I copy this first, right? Because I want to have a different way. That's not a I feel like there's some refactoring that I have to do here, and this is slightly annoying. Let me think. So you're building metrics, and then so all lines, and then okay. So this is doing this, and then I guess the point is that instead of declaring variables, I want to declare them in a different way, right? I want to declare them so that they are and the rest should be the same, yeah. So I just want to say, instead of declaring constants here, I want to declare a list of things, and then I want to do this, and then I can drop this. Oh, this is well, okay. I guess the nice thing is I would be able to drop this, right? So there is no like ITE nonsense, and if there is no ITE nonsense, am I happier? Maybe I'm happier, right? I mean, this still does not make any of us happy, but yeah. Um. Okay, so sure. So now I basically do well. Okay. How much of this do I need to redo? No, like this is Python, so I can do some better things. Um. Improved .py. Okay. A I don't need to copy over a lot of this, right? Okay, and then if a wish I knew how to write Python, so I would not have to do all kinds of live coding and all kinds of nonsense. Uh, to really wait, this is are these tabs or spaces? Why is why is the code two spaces? Just two spaces? It should be a tab character, and it should be um. How tilted should I be? Like this VS Code nonsense. I mean, about VS Code settings, because I don't like this tab and space setting. I don't care, right? uh oh, I want this to be named a bit differently so it doesn't improve. Right, SNT. This is not going to break, right? Yeah, okay. Please. Type checking. Yes, standard. And then what is this? Okay, yeah. And then improved. Why does it not let me do it? Okay, so this works. Now what? Now I want to say the same thing, right? So 85, 96. Yeah, instead of this, let's try this. Is this how you do it? I hope. Okay, seems like the correct thing to do. Okay, then now I just need to, yeah, okay, so maybe a lucky thing is that if I might actually be able to get this done within like in less than an hour, then am I just done? Because it seems like, I mean, I thought this was going to be like harder. I mean, this of course is not going to be hard, but I thought it was gonna be harder, you know? Okay, so improved declare vars, and then I will not need I won't need weight constraints anymore, right? Just delete this, and then I can just say a this is just full now, right? Is that the right thing? Yeah, I think this is the right theory, right? Is it? Remind me what are the Boolean theory in a in SMT2, in SMT-lib2. Is it just a set logic and then QF bool? Once. Why? It's only logic is just propositional. Boolean vect. Okay, maybe I will want exactly that, right? Why is it red? Where in red? Should be. What is going on here? But you work, right? No, but this is CSR matrix. Eval poly is a wait, del xy. This is. I feel like there's a lot of wait, no, we do have type. What do you mean? It worked. It worked just now. Like cannot attribute. What is this? Is this just any? What's the type of? No way. A is CSR matrix, so, and what is this? I'm about to turn pylons off because it is giving me false positives, and I'm too lazy to find out why. You know what? Let me pretend I did not see it because this is just terrible, and also I know that and I know I have some problem, which is that well, I know I'm not chatting about anything interesting anymore. I'm literally just looking at this. Yeah. Okay, so instead of this, I wanted to say that this is a distance, and then I want to say that this is a want to pass this. This was actually not used before. Why? Oh, because yeah, I see. Okay, so I want to say that for j in range distance -1, I say what? I say nice. Oh, I want integers, so I don't want this wait, or do I have integers? Let me see. A okay, so I actually don't want this question mark. Okay, let's see. What if I have integers but no arithmetic at all, like no additions or ordering. Say I have just I'm using integers like enums and just checking if they are equal to each other's. What are my options? In both a SMT lib2, I don't know, in both initial design. How do I write good and which logic to use then? Yeah, because I do have integers, right? I mean, I'm not explaining what I'm doing here because I feel like that is just too much. But yeah, this is just the kind of really boring lab work. I mean, okay, so I guess here's a funny thing. Like, one of these days, I will be presenting this, maybe, maybe not. But if I present this, then I will, yeah. Uninterpreted sort. What is this? Fresh sort? Declare sort. What is this? Declares const, but I don't want to declare like, I don't want to declare like 11 or 12 or however many things, right? No, but I don't want to, okay, yeah, enumerated data type. Okay, so I don't know, option A maybe makes sense, question mark. But what if I have too many of them? Let's say we are doing some kind of a what is it called? Don't want to explain too much, but oh well. Quantum error correcting code, sure. And each location, each physical qubit location is a possible enum value. So I'll have a so for a, I don't know, what was the what was the funny parameter scan? Oh, I should just 72 12 6. Code. I will need a 72 element enum. Is there anything is there any easier syntax I can do here, or do I just use Python to write declare const qubit 0 is location for everything from qubit 0 to qubit 71. Just indices, not values, but then I wanted to I have values that are location. Okay, I feel like this is going to just turn into a super long, annoying thing, but that is, I guess, how it is. Oh, never mind. See, because the things that are integers, and now I actually want the never mind. I want LIA. I actually want LIA. Uh, I don't know. I don't. Yeah, it's what it is. Okay. So I wanted the same thing as before, which was just QFLIA. Okay. And then what? Append. Um. Is this how you do it? Why is my syntax highlighting not working? Okay, it is. A and then what? Why is everything red? Like, why is literally everything red? Wait, I want to define. Is it here? No, it was. Wait, was it here? No, it was here. Yeah. Define fun vj, which is what? Oh, this is going to be really annoying, no? Because I want to say if j is equal to a what did I do here? This was XOR chain, so I want to do something similar like this. So this is what was this? I want to say if this is no, I wanted to say what maybe something like this. That I wanted to say a yeah, and then a b is equal to wait no a something like this. And then here I want to say a declare no I want to define this is funny looking in maybe not a nice way. Okay, I guess lesson of the day is that anytime you have to deal with like SMT or anything like that, it just gets difficult. Why is that? Inconsistent use of tabs and spaces in indentation. These are tabs. How do I? Is you serious? Who use tabs Now I've got inconsistent tabs and spaces, and I'm losing my mind. Yeah, I wrote the first part in Vim, and now I'm just yeah, okay. So no, like I want to indent using tabs, and yeah, sure. And then I want to just now this should work, right? Perfect. And then these are all spaces. Like this. That should work now, right? So let me see. Okay, so what is the right syntax here? That I want to say that this is a define font, and then this thing. Wait, what? Define font, and then the name of this, and then empty parenthesis boolean, and then I want to say the actual content, which is a this is just too much. Let me see. Yeah, something like this, I guess. Maybe that will balance things out. And then I can say content is a, I don't know. Value is what? A, VJ value is a, it's just this, right? And then for this, it is VJ, and then this is a, what's the, wait, I'm confused. Oh, this is really annoying, right? Logs a, logs list is, well, I mean, this is just logs j for a, for j in a, okay, and then this is just this. This is not even a list anymore, and I should not call it that because that is a terrible naming convention. Okay, so now I have list, and now I have list, right? Is this one sensible? Let's see. I mean, chances are just not going to work, but you know. Why are you still? No, there should not be this. This should not exist. Why is it still there? All lines? All lines is, oh, improve all lines. If this will, okay, maybe I was a bit too optimistic. I mean, if this actually works, then we might be like very close done. We just have to test it to see if it outputs the right thing. I mean, we can always hope, right? Okay, so a oh, but is this how do you check if two things are equal? It's not just this, right? Oh, it is this. I see. Yeah, it's equality and then the two things, right? So it should be a like this, I think. Is this sensible? Because I have Let me see. Oh, and then I also have to say that I need constraints that yeah, I need constraint to say that these are bigger than 0 and less than distance. I mean, less than number of qubits, which is what a how do write down a constraint here? Assert. Okay, so we want to assert that what? Assert this is at least 0, and you want to assert that this is at most a n, right? Is n the right thing here? I think so, question mark. Yeah, it is, I think. Let's see if this is even sensible here. So I declare something and I want to say that this is a yeah, I want to say that this is within range. But then actually if I want to say that it's within range, I can literally just say it's end, right? Yeah, just for the sake of making a thing easier to read, I should be able to just why is my autocomplete not? You know what? Yeah, sure. Maybe just this. Just this, I guess. In that case, I might as well. This sensible. Let's see. Let's see if ChatGPT thinks this is sensible. Not that it is the wait, oh, this is not. I mean, not that it is the you know, the end all be all or the you know, judge of all things or anything like that, but it is, you know, better than nothing. So what do we have here? We want to figure out why does this look funny. Okay, so we want to say that, okay, so it's definitely this because this should be this, yeah. Can I just do this? Really? It does? Is that smart? Really it is. Wait, I did not have to exit. Ah, whatever, is fine. Okay, it's thinking. Hopefully it tells me if my thing is just terrible. Idea is sensible. Okay, yeah, but okay, syntax and variable mixed up because I have no idea how to write this. Let me see. Missing parenthesis. Of course it is. Is that true? But then I don't have any syntax errors yet. So I mean, it compiled. If it compiled, that means it probably does something. I mean, if it is actually missing a what is it called? Then you would never have the. Wait, did I not? For real? Wait. Let me see. So it is saying that. Oh, I mean, this looks evenly. Never mind, it is not match. Right? 1, 2, 3. No, this pairs with this. This pairs with this. This pairs with this, and now one is missing. Good to know. Okay, and then this is a x equals 1 of that, where this is supposed to. For real? Let me see. A This is not. Good to know. Yeah, this is obviously garbage. Could I call it? So what should this be? Because it should certainly not be that. It should be a just be a right, because this should literally just be a instead of location, it should literally just be so I was writing now language there. That was scary. Like this, I guess. Is that right? Then I'm just checking if this is a no, that's not right, right? What should this look like? This should be just either 0 is this or 1 is that or whatever. So it should literally just be a does this take if I do this? Like if this is not even a string, does this behave correctly? Maybe I should know, but yeah. Okay, so I guess to make things look a bit nicer, I can always do this, right? Okay, that is sensible, and then this is logs is I mean, nah, whatever. I don't want this. I actually don't want this. Symmetry breaking. Maybe I don't know if I want this. I actually don't know. Actually, maybe I do. Yeah, maybe I do. Actually, I think I do. Yes. This should be. I mean, it doesn't really matter. It's a source issue, but there are still 2 concrete bugs. Yeah. You for real? Oh, for real? For real? Oh, really? Apparently we have no idea how to write programs. That is amazing. Is this is this how it should work? No, wait. Is this... Am I just blind? So you define function, by doing that, where this is, yeah, okay, that is good. This is fixed, so I just archive this, and then okay, and then this is an F string. You want it as a numerical string, use stringify. Oh, yeah, whatever. No, this is fine. Yeah, I mean, implicit conversion is implicit conversion. Right? I mean, this is actually... Yeah, no, like implicit conversion is fine. I don't care. There's enough. This is too much. Okay. So what now? Right. Symmetry breaking. Yes. Well, before symmetry breaking, let me just do the funny thing. So what was it? the config is saying this this should be this, right? So improved okay, and then now what? I just hit this with this, right? Unset, please, unset, 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 unset. I mean, sorry. This okay, great. That's perfect. The thing works. Okay. $1 million question, or actually yeah, actually maybe before I even do $1 million question, just this, right? Oh, this thing doesn't work. I was trying to Control E, and it of course doesn't do what I think it does. Okay. So if I time this, and then if I time this, it's actually improvement. Oh, it will be, wouldn't it? Yeah, it's an improvement. It's obviously an improvement. Okay, fine. How about symmetry breaking then? So we want to. Wow. Wow. Okay. Okay. Well, somebody will be happy. Um. Okay, fine. Let's try this. So a symmetry breaking. But then I want to allow duplicates. So I would do a what -1, right? Just something like this faster. What? Okay. And then I want to say a assert, right? I want to assert that a assert that vj plus 1 is at least vj. This is what I want to assert, right? Well, no. I mean, it should be just this. It's probably a bit better. So this will be a I mean, now this is going to take even less than 7 seconds, or it's going to complete. Why? Okay, so it is saying that it on which line? On oh, this is not V, this is location. And then I wanted to say that this is not this is distance -1. And then this should be all the way up here, yeah. Oh, wait, what? No, this should be that, right? Yeah, let's actually read this by hand to see if this, I mean, not by hand, like read it to see if it makes sense. I think it does. Okay, and then I want to just wow, that is okay. It's am I looking at? Do I believe what I'm looking at right now? What? Okay. So what? Wait, how long is this going to be? Oh, you kidding? What? What on earth? No way, right? No way, right? I mean, this is just too good to be true, right? I mean, okay. So there's this kohai. Kohai means, somebody who is a couple years below me in my lab. And the guy's genius. Why did this work so well? It's not supposed to be working this well. I mean, I'm glad it works. I'm just very. Oh, never mind, because I did not. Yeah, okay. No, user error. Because for this, I need to No, like I need to adjust this, right? For I don't remember how to do this. So for this, it is a let me see. Well, at least this works, which is very 15 and 3. Okay, so this is now 15 and this is now 3, and then actually, can I just move straight to this? No, I don't want to, right? I shouldn't. So this is 9 and then 1 2, and then this is 1. 1 means I actually have 0 on both, right? And then a 2 7. So should be this, right? I think so. Yeah. Okay. So need to do this, right? This is now this, and then now I have a I do this. Wow. Okay. Then what? I mean. Either I have a bug or this is just too good, like way too good. Wait. No, this is. I mean, it should be more than 4, right? The distance is 10. So if distance is 10, then I should be declaring a lot more variables than this, right? Oh, distance 10, yeah. Okay, now this is going to be a bit more sensible. Let this finish running first, I guess. I guess this is around the point where I kind of want to just shove this as a cluster, and I mean not cluster, just shove it in my office, like do SSH kind of thing, and let it run somewhere else, because otherwise this is just a code advisory. Okay. It's eating. Well, okay, fine. Do this here, and then can't wait to practice Coalhouse song later today. Yeah, this is really nice. Huh. Wait, if I remember correctly, this used to take 15 minutes, right? So I should not, I mean, I just did this, then it's going to write me something sensible, right? Let's take a very quick look before we record it into a file. Okay, so this is saying that I have 0 to 8, which is sensible, yeah. Okay, so let's say I have this, and then like this, right? And then this, we just Okay, yeah, I don't know, chat for a bit, I guess, because this is just this thing is just completely. I mean, I probably should have been chatting the entire time anyway, so there's that. Yes, nice weather, except it's not really nice weather, it's terrible weather. Actually, now I think about it, like, what do I even want for dinner? Well, let's say if this actually works, like, I mean, of course, we are going to be here waiting just a little bit, but then, actually, when I try to break symmetry, was it fast? Did it get faster? let's see. Does it keep the entire memory? I mean, it should, right? I don't remember. Yeah, I think it was somewhere around here, right? So this one, which one was? I mean, all of this is just with symmetry broken. So this is 0.2 something. Wait, what? No, this is 0.2 something, and then this is. Oh, so it was saying that with the symmetries broken, it went from 7 seconds to pretty much instant. Yeah, I mean, if this actually makes this faster, then the guy is genius. I mean, I knew the entire time alone he's a genius because the guy can use this very nice programming language called Lean, Lean, and that language is basically takes a lot of effort to be able to write and read. And if he can read it, I mean, not just read. Of course, he can write it in his first year in the degree program. Then, like first year in grad school. Then of course he's good. Like he's legit good at what he is doing. Like better than I was when I just started here. So maybe I shouldn't be so surprised, but still, like I would have thought that how should I say it? Because after all, like because I'm like a couple of years above him, maybe I just kind of rely on my intuition too much and not, you know. Well, long story short, I'm happy to be proven wrong that this actually works. I was actually procrastinating on this a little bit because I thought this would not work, and I'm glad I stopped procrastinating and actually, sat down and did this. Especially because you guys see it takes only like I don't know, like 2 hours or so, or maybe even less to get it done. And now it's probably almost done. I mean, now we just need to finish for. I mean, so this is not how you actually should be benchmarking your stuff, right? Because this is just incredibly noisy way of doing it. As in, noisy in the sense that how should I say it? Like, wait, it is not going to get my thing killed, right? How much RAM is my thing using? Oh, this is not good. This is not good. This is not good. Oh. If I kept running for any longer, the thing is just gonna get killed by what is it called? It's just going to get killed by the task manager. I mean, not task manager, by the other thing. Yeah. Let me see. Fine, let's try the improved version to see if it takes much shorter time to run. It might. But either way, let's just try to yeah, let's just try to do this on the remote machine where my thing would not get killed out of nowhere, I guess. We don't need config anymore, right? So let's discard this, and then, or instead of discarding, let's just stage just this and not the other one. Okay, and then I want to say what? I want to say add a try to, what is it called? Reduce number of variables. Oh, fence from a ukulele. Amazing. Anyways, yeah. That's faster. That's significantly faster, right? Wow. Okay. Okay. So here's how I want to do it, so I don't get killed by. For real. Do I do a merge? I guess yeah. I just. Let's try to rebase. I guess question mark. No, let's merge. I don't care enough because this is. I know rebase is cleaner, but I don't want to try something new yet. I mean, I guess even though now would be a time, but no, like I mean, maybe now is not the time because I have. I mean, I almost want to say I have people watching this, but I don't. At some point I will have you watching the VOD, so there's that. Anyways. So I want to go to a what was it? I want to go to go to my office, right? I mean, not physically, but I want to do this, right? And I want to hope that the other thing has finished running, because if not, then new activity. Do I? Oh, maybe let me stop sharing my screen for a minute, just so I can see I'm not missing any chat. Yeah, I'm not. It's just the thing being as bugged as it always is. So let me share my screen again. My VPN is always been on. Wow, okay. No problem. Screen resume. Perfect. Yeah, this is the other thing from yeah, let me just take a screenshot of this. Usual bug. Let me see, how do I snipping tool. You just kill this and restart it. I guess I can always take this next time, but whatever. This is what? This is distance 7, right? Yeah. Distance 7, and then this should go into research, and then just temp, I think. Yeah, and then I don't want to do distance 9 yet, because what I will do is just open folder, desktop, research, and then a what was it? Do I not have it? Guess I don't. How worried am I that I don't have? Well, no, I definitely have Python. I mean, I'm running it right now. So I just have to, do I have cvc5? I also do have cvc. Of course I do, yeah, because I was also running it. Was it just here? No, what? Did I delete a thing? I'm so confused because I'm pretty sure I had that at some point. Like, I'm pretty sure I have the thing downloaded. I guess I deleted it. Okay, sure, whatever. So what? Parity check, right? Desktop, research, and then just clone here, yeah. Open. And then and then what do I do here? I have to do this oh, never mind. I see what was wrong with, I mean, not wrong, but what did I do before? Yeah. No, like, this is fine, right? Because I can just do a, oh, this is very new. So what do I do? Do I have this? I do, okay, perfect. So I could, if I did this, I'm just going to, okay, yeah, this is going to activate. Perfect. Now what? Now I want to say a, right? For real? Right, yeah. Okay, so now what? Now I want to go back to my, sorry, this is just me not being very entertaining, because this is just the boring kind of programming that I... well, at least we're almost done, right? Then I need to figure out what to eat and be back by 8:30. right? Did I say 8:30? I guess the other thing is that the thing is like, I don't even know. I feel like the timing might be a bit flexible, right? Like I can just like literally change it to whatever time I want. Because I don't know if anyone actually cares, and I will probably just just be what's the term? I mean, if anyone cares, they probably just care. It probably be in the future where people watch about. Yeah, because I really don't see. Yeah, I don't know. I really don't know. Anyway, so where am I? I'm going to say that. Well, what? Right, SMT.pi, and then this is 12. No, this is like, what's a funny thing? This is 9810, right? And then improved, and then improved 9810. Then I just times cvc5 improved version. This is going to give me a correct thing, right? I think it does, yeah. I mean, of course it does, yes. And then I wanted to make sure, yeah, this is symmetry breaking, which is the correct thing to do, yeah. And then this is going to give me something that is going to finish within like 2 minutes, I hope. Because if this finishes as fast as the as before, then I can just move on to the other one and let it run. And this is not running on my own machine. And if it does not run on my own machine, it runs on the work, on the work desktop, and then I really don't care. That, and I guess I will have good news, right, for the guy who is apparently a genius. Not just that, but also for like a lot of other people. Yeah. Yes, very good. Well, I mean, this is definitely faster. Don't know how much faster, but this is definitely faster. Yeah. Well, I guess the other question is memory usage, right? So how do I, what is it? Oh, right, on the Windows side I also have SMT2, so I can just measure command, question mark. Like this. How do you write this? Like how do you work with a PowerShell? Okay, that is how you do measure command, but how about memory usage? How do you measure maximum max RAM usage of a command? Either Windows or Mac are probably fine. Really? Oh, you pull it. Oh, right, because you cannot, because this is just. Yeah, I think I actually had this have the exact problem last time I couldn't do it. Really? Wait, this is magnitudes of like magnitudes difference. Because of course it would be, right? Yeah, because this is like, if distance is 10, then this is 9 variables, instead of 90. So we are actually going all the way down from. Wait. The guy's a genius. The guy is actually a genius. What on earth? Oh, shoot. Okay then. Okay, now then maybe question then. So for LinSMT, does it give me what I think it does, right? Because if the thing actually does give me what we think or what we hope it does, then we're actually good, right? Do you have, let me see, SMT translate int? Can you translate inequalities? You can. Okay, so the guy knows what he's doing apparently. The guy actually knows what he's doing. Okay. This is just wow. Wow. Okay. Yeah, okay. So I think we are very happy now because we just need to finish wait for this to finish running. I think takes like 15 minutes. And then after that, I should go eat. I don't know what to eat. I'm not sure if anything is open out there. I hope it is. I guess the question is even if anything is open out there, do I want to go out and eat, right? Because in this weather, this is just crazy. I mean, but it's between that and instant noodles, right? Or I guess like these like Soylent things. Yeah, I don't know. Wait, just how many magnitudes did the guy improve the thing? Apparently I'm terrible at coding and the guy is much better than I am, which, I mean, of course he would be, right? Of course he would be. Yeah. What on earth? Yeah, like how? I have no words. Like, okay, the guy is actually a genius. Okay then, like I don't know. Wait, but if this is the case, then wouldn't it mean that like okay, so how far does it scale, right? Because then this is no, like then this is just 18 numbers, and you can this is something easy now, right? Because this is literally just a yeah, because then if you want to address all errors of weight 11, then you have a huge Boolean formula. I mean not Boolean anymore, but you have a huge formula over only 11 things. Over only 11 independent variables. And now you can actually do tricks. I mean, I don't know for sure, but that I mean I don't know because the domain is still large. So but I'm sure it's doing something that is right. Actually, I don't even know like how long this took last time. I think this took like 15 minutes last time, right? And now it's just going to take no time at all, which is incredible. What is this? Like, yeah, let's just start thinking about what to eat because this is going to finish sometime soonish. Yeah, let's see. I mean, I guess the trick is that if the tagout is open, then that means the what is it called? Then that means they will also be open for in person, right? So let's see. I mean, the thing claims to be open. If I did this, then I do this and this. Is this? I mean, it seems like it's open, right? Because otherwise the thing would probably just have stopped me here. How about dining hall? I mean, the other thing is that if a campus is closed, that I mean, of course, dining hall is still open for the for the other for the actual undergrad. But can I go there and eat? Emergency operating hours. I mean, the thing is that if my advisor can go there and eat, maybe I can as well, right? Never mind, it closes at 7, which is now. Okay. I mean, chances are food there is probably terrible right now anyways. It's usually really good food, but I mean, with everything that's happening, I've heard that their like steam or whatever stopped working. So it's like they still have electricity, so they can still, do some stuff, but not, yeah. let me stare at this because this is crazy. Like, just how many, like, I cannot believe this. How should I say? Like, I cannot believe how many magnitudes did we improve this thing? I mean, there's no bug in here, right? I mean, it does not look to be a bug. It is that the thing is just correct, right? Yeah, I mean, this part is probably correct because it's been correct, and then this part is a is why it is. I guess the other thing is it was not how should I say this? Like, I mean, the other thing is that this actually is, I mean, if it takes like 30 seconds to do this, then I guess the other thing is that it might scale up all the way up, right? To like a it might just scale all the way up to this or this. So let's take a look, right? Let's try. Why not? So which one is local? This one is local. So what do I want? Fine, the big one. The big one. I mean, not the biggest one, but the big one. So it's confusing. Okay. Is what 12 and 6. And then this is a 312. Both are 312s, but on different variables, right? 312, 312, and then this is distance 12, and then yeah. So now I just do this. A improved a what? That is totally fine. Okay, and then here's the funny thing that I would do. I would download it. I will move it to a course to here, right? And then I should have a I have this, right? Oh, I don't, because that doesn't matter because I have the this binary. So I literally just say do things. Yeah. Okay, so this is just this, and then okay. So I want to go into there and then binary and cvc5, and then I want to run this on the improved thing. I also want to time it, right? So let's actually, I think I did time something earlier in work, right? What do I need to, yeah, just measure this, right? Can I control E? I cannot. Good to know. Should be just this, right? And then now we get to a now we get to hope that the thing doesn't just takes up all of my memory. Why is this taking so much? What is running on my local thing? Is it literally just VS Code? I mean, if it's literally just vim, then I should close this, right? So let me close this, and then this is, I mean, this is still running. This is, how is this still running? I don't know. Actually, I mean, we never tried this, right? We just went straight for this, which is maybe, I guess, also a bit, what's the word, greedy? I mean, I don't know, like, chances are it might just work, right? I mean, if not, then we are going to send this to a cluster and see what happens. Let's close all of this. The thing is, it's not going to a just close everything unnecessary, right? And hope the thing doesn't take up way too much memory. I wonder if my Discord thing got a reply. I mean, I don't think it did, because they applied in this stream earlier, and yeah, and then she just did, yeah, okay. So can I just close normally and not have to kill it? Yeah, I can, good. Yeah, sometimes the thing gets frozen, so I had to kill it, but I don't think it's currently frozen. I just keep everything else alive, right? I guess I can close Zoom as well. Okay, I'm sitting at 50% memory, and I am... Wait, is my cvc5 still running? It is not down, it is not broken, it's just there. And it is not allocating. Why is it not allocating? Like, I'm expecting this to take, like, gigabytes, not like 200 megabyte. Really? Let's see. I mean, this is going to a okay, I mean, this is using my CPU, which is good, yeah. The other thing is that I'm not sure if I should be using my own personal gaming laptop as a lab equipment. Like, this laptop is not meant to, I mean, I'm already using it for streaming, so why not, right? But this is not supposed to be a piece of, this is not what I'm using right now. It is not a piece of research equipment, and I'm treating it as if it's one. Which means at some point I probably will be paying for it, but not today, apparently. Okay. So I mean, how long, right? Also, why is VM still running? Like, I think I've closed everything that is a like, this is SSH, this is not VM, so I should have nothing VM related open. I'm not sure why is this still a yeah, I don't know. I mean, like, there's just a bunch of... I mean, it's fine. Do I literally just get on the piano right now and start thinking or something? Because I actually was not doing. It's just going to pick once. Oh, so pretty. Is Koseki Bichu? Is it? Or what is she drawing? Who is she drawing? I don't know, but I will have to watch later because I don't want to get in trouble. Yeah. It's really funny. At some point, I like Ina too much, and now I like Koha too much. Oh, speaking of that, yeah, I need to take a picture for the. I need to take a new picture for the other streaming thumbnail later. Because yeah, I mean, I was wearing black because like I'm on a kind of hot thing, and I also haven't set up the what is it called? There's this what was the thing called? Acrylic stand. Yeah, okay, right. Sorry, I was trying to look it up. Yeah, I need to set up my acrylic stand, the merch, like, in the background of the piano as well. So, I mean, maybe I should just be doing that instead of staring at this, because I feel like staring at this is not going to buy me in. Like, I'm going to get diminishing return by staring at this, like, very soon. Yeah. The other thing is that this is, like, I mean, this is just plateaued out. Like, this is not even taking 200 gigabytes of RAM anymore. This is literally just taking, like, less than 1 gigabyte. Why am I so... like, staring at this really starts making me doubt my own programming abilities. Like, I really did not think I was that bad to begin with, but then now, like, just by incorporating just one idea from the Kohai, you know, from the I'm not sure if I should keep calling him Kohai or how should I call him, but yeah, by just like you know, I mean it's this word, right? That a actually, I mean you guys probably know Japanese. I don't probably know better than I do. But yeah, so yeah, just by incorporating just that suggestion from him and spending like I don't know, like less than 2 hours programming, the the thing just got improved by so much that it is just unbelievable. Like this thing is still running, and this was, you know, yeah. I really don't know like, how many orders of magnitude did did he improve the thing by? Like this is just crazy. Like yeah. I mean that the old thing is taking so much time to run that it's just not doing anything. But now you know, like it's taking enough time to run that I am having difficulty coming up with the what is it called thing that to show the guy to show everyone because a good thing finishes so quickly and a bad thing just takes forever now. It's perfect. It's amazing. Anyways, so where am I? And I mean, I know this is going to take a long time, but I did not, yeah. But even this is just steady. This is not, it's not thrashing or anything like that. It is literally just doing what it, you know, it's just doing what it does. I guess in that case, I should just cancel the other thing on the cluster, right? Because I actually had another different job on the cluster, but it's just pointless now because this is just like 1000%. This is just 10 times better. Yeah. I mean, do I even need a cluster? I feel like this is runnable on just personal machines now. Yeah, maybe we don't even need a cluster anymore, right? This is literally just like this is I mean I'm just running this on my normal laptop now, and this is not eating anything at all. I mean doesn't seem to be frozen either. Like this just seems to be crunching what it wants to crunch, right? Yeah, maybe I should just get changed while this is going on. What do I want to wear? I mean, I don't have anything green, do I? Let's check. Still such a mess. Yeah, do I have anything green that I can wear? I don't. Something white. The thing though is that like I like wearing black because then I don't look as out of shape. Like last time I was wearing something white and then I look at my what is it called? Look at my I guess not even VOD, right? Just look at the thing and it just looks terrible. I don't know. Yeah. Or maybe I just set up my acrylic stand first and then I can you guys will see it later, I know. Like right now I'm not what is it called? I'm not turning on the camera, but I probably will sometime. Actually maybe later I will show the ring necklace I have as well. But yeah, I mean I know I'm just showing off at this point, but still, yeah. The other thing is that I hope I won't get in trouble by doing this. I mean, I won't, right? Because I mean, this is just who's going to get me in trouble. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. I mean, we'll see. I mean, if I get in trouble again, then we can do something, but maybe we won't. Oh wow, the acrylic stand is actually. Wait, how do we put this together? Where does each piece go? I don't understand this. So there is this, but then this is. Why is there the F-looking thing? Wait, how do I? Yeah, let me just look it up because I actually don't know. Except, do I have a RAM to look it up? I actually have a RAM. Like, this is just not killing my RAM. I'm still so surprised that I still have RAM after all of this. The new cover I want to listen to. I mean, I already listened to it a few times, but why not again, right? What? And then, Faith, of course. Uh, no, how do I? What's ring? Yeah, ring necklace. I cannot spell Japanese, but of course, that is because we are just bad at it, right? I just want to. Oh, this is for. Wait, what? But then, I mean, I'm already wearing it, so I'm not displaying it. But then, how about the other piece that I don't understand? Like, how does the other thing work? Um, I don't. By the way, this is the fourth finger, right? I never actually remember like which finger is which, but I mean that would make sense if it was. But anyways, yeah, I'm just trying to map this to a because it seems I have one extra piece than this. Like I have um right, okay, so I have, let me see. How does this? Oh, never mind. I think I see. The other thing is the other piece is the necklace holder. So the necklace can be what is it called? Can be hung on the yeah. Right. So I stop down here. Yeah. I think. Oh, in that case, do I want to take it off when I record the cover? Um, no point, right? I can just keep it on. I mean, the thing is that if I keep it on, then because it's high enough that it is not going to show up on the, what is it called? Then it's not going to show up that I'm wearing it because I don't want to. I mean, I could probably show my face if I really wanted to. I don't really care. But yeah. No, maybe I do a little bit because it's just too much trouble to look nice. Yeah. I mean, I just look as wretched as I always do because I'm lazy. Anyways, just trying to put together this I probably should at least tap to this so people, if anyone actually comes in, they actually so there is some kind of semblance of me being productive, but in fact I'm just waiting for a thing to run. Wait, how to? I don't want to jam it in, so I don't know like how this works. I'm pretty sure I'm looking at the right like the right slot, but I don't know for sure, and I don't want to use brute force if I'm even just a little bit unsure, right? Because this is a because this is merge. Oh, okay. So that is how you put the oh, sorry. Okay, so that is how you put a main acrylic stand and then the three things on top of it. One is for the back of the necklace, which is something like this, right? Um do I just press it? I mean, right now it seems like it is right, but I don't want to force it yet. Oh, okay, yeah, so that's right. And then this is maybe also right. Let's see if I did just a yeah, okay, yes. So I literally just this is just, yeah, I just need to make sure that it's the right place and I just press it in. Yeah. Um but yeah, it seems like the restaurant out there is open. So I guess so I guess it really depends on if I want to eat out or not. I don't know. Okay, yeah, so I do have the thing now. So I will probably just, yeah, it's actually a decent display for the ring, for a ring necklace. I mean, like this, like you guys see, there's the chain is hanging on the back. Yeah, if I want to take it off and display it, maybe I should. At least for the yeah, I don't know. Yeah, anyways. Why is it still running? Wait, did this ever finish running? I remember I've taken stats, right? As in like not like taken, like not class wise. I mean I've taken stats class as well. But no, I've recorded stats, right? Let me see. Yeah, sorry, this is slightly unprofessional, but this is oh wait, this is a dead end, isn't it? Yeah, this is a dead end. I should just kill it. Okay. Yeah, this is enough evidence because yeah, this is just improved by I don't know how many orders of magnitude now. Later it just cut something from half an hour down to like 30 seconds. And this is not a fluke because of course it wouldn't be, right. But then why is this a let me think. But this is still going to take a little bit, right? I mean, this we can either wait a bit or we just decide that we don't want to wait. I don't know. Okay. Maybe I should just maybe I should just call it a day here and just send this to my colleagues because this is crazy, and then I can yeah. I'll be back later today after figuring out what to eat. Actually, I'm going to just push back the other thing a little bit just in case if eating takes too long. But let's just say that this is going to start whenever I'm done eating. So this is probably an hour is definitely not enough because I eat very, very slowly. Let's just push back by an entire hour. I mean, I will probably just get back and start whenever. So it's not going to be like on the spot. Probably. I mean, it might become earlier again. We'll see. Yeah. Anyways, thank you all. I will see you later today. Yes. Yep. How do I do ending screens? Ending screen is a Where's my ending? OBS. Sorry, been dead.